Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a little happy mail I got from a recent order I made on this adorable shop that I discovered here on YouTube. I was watching her packing process video of her orders and completely fell in love with her cute sheep character. She calls her Mika, and the shop's name is Paper Sutekka. I might be pronouncing it wrong, but I will show you the name. I think if she has a business card in here, we'll have a look. So I ordered just a few things to have a look and see what they look like. Let me just pull out, looks like a postcard. I love that she included that as an extra. It's really nice to learn more about a shop this way. So she has all her info in there. And it looks like she's also included a cute little sticker here. So I'll be putting that in my journal. That is so pretty. And look how cute that sheep is. And another business card. So I think super adorable. Now the first item I purchased, I love sakura or cherry blossoms, and Mika the sheep had it on her, so I got that. And one with Totoro and a suit sprite, so I thought that was super cute. And another one with cherry blossoms, and this time it's a phone pop socket. So my last item is a cute little washi tape with Mika dressed up as Pikachu, but look how thick this washi roll is. So I'm excited to use this in my planner. And here is a closer look at what that washi looks like. So I think super adorable, and for the price, a pretty thick washi, so we'll have to put that to the test once we put it in our planner. But here's another look at the cute items I did get. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye!